Okay, as you are watching here, there are many plants. There are many saplings here and so what is this? Are these trees? Are these saplings? Are these little herbs or shrubs? Can anyone answer? Here, are we have collected the trees? Are these trees? What are these? These are
Saplings.
saplings. What is this? Saplings. Saplings means very small plants which are ready to dig in the soil. Sapling means the small plants which are ready to dig in the soil. Here you can watch there are many trees around you. We can't plug that. Okay. Now as you can watch here I am having in my palm some seeds are there. But you can here there are some seeds are there. Seeds. These are the seeds of gram. These are the seeds of gram. Arises, how does the plant grow? So there are seeds. Now there is a process. There is a process of conversion of seeds into the plants and the plant converts into the trees. Just like you are a small baby. You are a small baby and then you are after some time you are growing little bigger and then you are transforming into a children and then into a teenager and then into an adult and then a man and then an old man. And this is the process. In the same way, these are the seeds. They will convert into, when we dig into the soil, they convert into a little sapling. They will convert into a little sapling. When we look here everyone. What are these? I am repeating. What are these? Everyone, what are these? Seeds. Very good. These are the seeds of gram. These are the seeds of gram. Okay. Here I am having some seeds and now I am putting these seeds into the glass. Into the glass which is full of soil. Which is full of soil. As you can see, this glass is full of soil. It is none other than the soil. What is this? This cup is full of soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Soil is very essential for the growth of the plant. Without soil, it is impossible. I will not give you the food. If I will not provide you the food, will you able to grow? Will you able to grow? This is the cup which is full of soil and it is the essential increase seeds into the soil. Now the next thing which is very important, ma'am is putting the water into the glass. Okay? Now this glass has three things, sorry. The first one is soil and then we add some seeds and the third one is water. The third one is water. Okay. Now, अब आपको क्या चाहिए रहता है? How you are preparing your food? You are taking the vegetables from the market and then cook into your house in the same way. How the plant prepares their food? The question arises: how does a plant prepare their food? So, plant needs three things. Plants needs how many things? Three things to prepare their own food. In our home, who is there to prepare? Our mother is there to prepare the food. But the plants are the living things that they prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight. Without sunlight, they are not able to prepare any of the food. Okay? Into the direct sunlight, what will happen? It will start grow. The seed will burst and it will start grow into a new sapling. Into a new sapling. किसमें grow करेगा? Into a new sapling. Very good. Into a new sapling. Ma'am, please show the sapling. Look, this is a small plant which is known as a sapling. And when we start putting this plant into the sunlight, what will happen? It will start growing day by day and start converting into the plant, a big plant. Just like now our plant is becoming bigger day by day. And अब इसको food मिल रहा है. Now it is becoming bigger day by day. Now after some time, when the plant becomes tall, we are able to watch that it may bear some plants also.
क्या हो रहा है? And here are some roots. Just look at this. This is called.
These are the roots. As you can see, these are the roots. The roots. What is the function of the root? They fix the plant into the soil.
ऐसी soil में छोड़ देते हैं और सारा water जिसके अंदर होता है, minerals होता है, वो क्या करता है? Absorb करके सारे stems.
Yes. Roots absorb the water from the soil and then transfer to the whole plant. Okay. This is the function of the roots. And the second one is the stem.
Where is the stem? Show me. Just have a look. These are called.
These are the branches, and here it is the thickest part. This is known as the stem.
क्या होता है?
Okay.
Just have a look.
Roots which you can see.
The stems.
This is the soil part.
This is the branches, leaves.
Very good. These are the roots as you can see, and this is the branches, and branches are having into a big tree. After little some time, the plant start converting into a tree, and they bear some flowers also. They bear some flowers. These are the flowers also, and like flowers are of very bright color. They are essential for the pollination also. But the another factor for the flower is that after the plant converts into fruit, plants convert into what हो जाते हैं? Fruits.